Hello everyone and welcome back. In part 3 of our Overlanding Scotland series, we went on a 2,132 foot gondola ride up to the Nevis range. In today's video, we're heading up to the infamous Applecross Pass, the Bealach Na Ba, which goes from sea level to a whopping 2,054 feet. It's considered the steepest road in the UK, with the average gradient of 7 degrees, getting steeper the closer you get to its summit. Let's see how our fully loaded 21-year-old VW T4 campervan handles it. So sit back, relax, subscribe, and let's get going. Applecross Pass, Bealach Na Ba, which I believe was an old sheep herding road. Sheep there. Maybe someone should herd them. Out the way, you. You. I think this is the highest road in the UK. Either the highest or the tallest or the steepest. I can't remember exactly.
It's the best at something.
It's the something it. Let's see if this 21-year-old van can get up there. We're in third gear, my foot's on the floor. We're climbing, that's for sure.
Let's hope no one's there.
It looks like someone's driving with their pop top up.
Oh yeah, they are.
That seems to be a little daft. Right, I'm going to stop here because I cannot see any passing places for a while. Why are they driving around with their pop top up?
I guess they might be using it for storage.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure that's like it. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's broken. Who knows? I'm guessing it's broken. Look like an old van in there.
Come on,
van.
lean forward.
Let's go. No, back to second. This is a bit of a hairpin turn here. I have to slip it into first. There we go. Don't look down there, Jesus. I can't believe I was considering doing this in the winter.
Yeah, you're mad. I guess if you haven't seen it, you don't know how crazy
I
it is.
didn't expect this. Look, we got like hairpin turns. We're driving up in the. We're gonna be up in the fog. Look at this. blown the intercooler off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I heard something then.
Yeah. Can you hear how loud it's gone?
Yeah.
Yeah, intercooler's popped off. I've got a screwdriver, I can fix it.
Sweet.
We're going without the turbo for now. One of the hoses for the turbo popped off.
2 minutes away.
Can't see a thing, can you?
No.
Can't see a thing. We've got no power at all now. There is a pass in place there.
He's gonna have to go back.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy.
Have they got a pass in place? Thank you. I mean, I'm assuming it was the intercooler thing and not the head gasket. I hope it's not the head gasket. There we are.
You have arrived.
Right. There or there?
Okay, so when we were coming down up Applecross, something popped in the engine. So we're going to see what it is.
As I expected, it is the intercooler pipe. I shall show you where that is. Oh Christ, yeah. That's popped off there, and I don't know if you can see the clip is Jubilee clip sort of like buried under there. That's going to be a pain in the ass to
Sort.
yeah, I'll manage it. It's going to just be, I'm sure it'll involve a lot of swearing.
Should we do that in the morning when it's less windy?
We can do it in the morning. Let's have a look at the weather first.
Yeah.
Because if it's raining, I'll do it now. well, we got a bit of daylight. I got to wait for the engine to cool anyway. No, that's fine. It's closed. Oh, it's fresh up here. So we made it to the top. I don't think we're gonna be able to get a fire going here with this wind.
You have little faith. I've gone on my side, but trust me. We've got those natural firelighters as well.
So we're gonna blow off the thing. Well, I don't think we'll put the awning out.
No.
Hey, at least there's no midges up here.
Yeah.
Not with this wind. Hey, Miles?
You want out?
Oh dear. Right, let's check the weather and see what happens.
Okay guys, so Chris, what's going on?
Right, so last night we came up this mountain pass. It was very steep. It's one section of the road that was just sort of like that, and we had to pull over. I put it in first gear, and the forces of just the sheer amount of power to try and get us up that hill made the intercooler pipe here pop off, and it is just, there's just oil everywhere now. So I'm just trying to clean up some of the oil so I can grip the pipe.
That's what she says.
That's what she said. This has got to be one of the most awkward things you could possibly do on the side of the road. Just because I don't have the right tools to be able to, you know, get this off. I mean, I might be able to. We'll see. I've only got this. I don't have like a. Don't think this is going to be very good. Yeah, no, useless. I've just got to try and get this pipe back on this thing. Easier said than done. especially when you can't see the fucking pipe. Come on. Oh, hey. Come on. It's so close. My arm is just not quite small enough.
Do you need me to try?
I think just need a better angle. It's just gonna have to be a case of wriggle till it gets in. Beauty!
You did it?
Did it!
Oh,
Right.
that's my fiance. Bam.
Right, now I've just got to get this Jubilee clip done up tight. Very tight. Hey baby, I'm putting a ring on it. Right. Problem is, my hands are all greasy and oily, so this is just trying to keep it in place to put the right amount of pressure on to keep the screw in. Come on, you bastard. It can't be loose either, it's got to be a tight screw. Right, that feels tight to me.
Tweet.
One for luck. One for luck.
For the oily hands.
Right.
Good work, baby.
Hopefully that's that sorted. Roadside repairs. Who needs CAA? Probably me. Driving this thing. Alright, we'll see you down the mountain.
See you in a bit, guys.
Well, it's working. It's well, we'll find out when we go back up the hill. We're going to go down into Applecross in a minute, just get ourselves sorted. I'll quickly show you around. This is the view we have. So, this is where we woke up this morning. As you can see, we are 2,053 feet above sea level. Old Mammoth Store, 19 miles in that direction. We will be visiting that on this trip. Yeah. Whoa. That certainly is fresh. Right, let's now it's the old it's not really doing a lot, is it?
Let's run it up high.
Yeah, turn the heat up. Let's get the window up. I think we're gonna have to
Poop it.
poop it. Otherwise we'll be here all day. Poop. Poop. When we say poop it, we have little plush poops, a camo one and a regular.
You've seen the reflection in any of the videos.
and that's exactly what they're for. They just soak up our breath overnight. We had the vent on, but it didn't really do a lot. I think. Well, yeah, we cooked, but well, I think the main issue was the fact that it was like we were up in a cloud essentially all night. Right. You think when you see this much moisture in the thing? Oh, no, wet? No. Yeah, so far since we left Plymouth, we've done 1,012 miles. You doing all right in the back, Marla?
Yes, I'm sleeping. Please do not disturb.
Why is it that all